Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Sunday 27th of February. Right, so join me to the Discord if you're not in the Discord as well, guys. And right now, Solana, what is it doing, guys? Okay, so I'm in here on the 4-hour time frame, and you are being rejected at the EMAs, which is going to be this one, right? So anytime you are on the EMA, actually previously you try to cross it, you didn't actually successfully cross it, and look what happened. You went to the downside. You went up to the EMAs again, you went to the downside. You went up to the EMAs again, you were rejected to the downside. Up to the EMAs, try to cross it again, rejected, and now you're going to the downside. So it's always a battle of the EMAs. And look, right now all we did is actually you made this bullish harami candlestick, and then from there you made a little bit of a nice sweet pump to the upside, but still you're getting rejected once again at the EMAs. On the daily, if you go on the daily, all that happened is you're still rejected at the 10 EMA right there. Do you see that? The 10 EMA is not doing any justice for Solana right now. Just look at that. You went up, you were rejected 2 times at the neckline, first time, second time, and now here back below this EMA. And let's see, it's still not good, unless you do not try to go down to that particular technical target that I've given you, which is going to be the $63. I don't think Solana is in the mode to actually go on and make anything very good, and that this one also depends on Bitcoin as well. Watch the Bitcoin update. There could be a big dump with Bitcoin in March. Who knows? Anything can happen in that space. And this is going to be a very small, quick update. And I told you in previous videos before, it still applies even now. Break this neckline, hold the neckline, break this yellow line at the 112, hold that yellow line, and then boom. During that time, you also have to look at what Bitcoin doesn't behave. So that's it for the update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.